wasn't long until we had a visitor, a charismatic little bird known as a bluetit. And this prospecting couple liked what they saw and started bringing in little pieces of moss and grass as they are starting to build a home. And our little female bluetit worked some more, tirelessly, bringing in loads and loads of nesting material. And we saw recently that she actually ended up taking quite a lot out. But I'm happy to be able to say that today she brought in a lot. And just look when she's doing her nesting shuffles. The moss is getting more and more compact against the edge of the walls. And slowly but surely forming a nest cup. Bluetit-shaped nest cup that she will eventually line with softer material again. Every little bit helps. Every piece of dried grass, every piece of moss. Slowly but surely, forming a home. If I was to put a figure on it now, I would say she's about 40% the way there, but she's doing more and more each day.